bro's got that swagger in his walk. Fuck off! Loved it, man. Bad gangster, cool. Go on then. Should I cut her out now? Why am I sitting in here? I'm a bike. What am I doing? What am I doing? Why am I sitting in traffic? Dude, I ain't got to do that. Oh, that was scary. Yo, Joy Hing. Can your boss has a free chicken bowl in that? Hurrah, hurrah. Did